Jason?
You see this? Come here. This puppy? Too bad that's not in the battle. What I'm using today is this. You ready? We're hammering. All day long.
You can hit harder than that.
All day long. Hey,
Teach him.
If you're scared, call the law.
You can hit harder.
Me and you, we're about to get it.
You can hit harder than that, right? Seriously, show me you can hit harder than that. And I'm not gonna play unless you can show me you can hit at least to a volume that was where I'm at.
Get on his level, Jason.
Brother, it's my spoon. Don't make the noise in this house.
But I can't find.
If I hold it like this,
Oh, that's
it'll
okay.
be hard.
You record your camera. They're doing the preliminary battles, and then they're going to sit down.
You're playing against me.
What are you talking about?
I think Grant's gonna hit harder.
Let's go, son.
Jason's higher right then, so it's probably not good. All right, sit down even.
I go first.
Give me a smile out of that one, huh?
I go first. No.
Smile big.
You go first. That's fine. Because he looks like he's hitting kind of hard.
In this round, in this ring. Come on, Grant, I'll be on your side.
Yes. Hey, look at me. You'd think it would take a lot of these. But the spoon game, it's more of up here. All right.